Hello children, today we are going to see some grammar part. What are homophones? Okay, unit 6. What are homophones? Homo means same. Phone is sound, same sound. The word spelling may be different, meaning may be different, but sounds will be same. When you hear it is same. We'll see some examples before that. I'll be explaining you one more concept, revising the concepts. Homophones are words which have the same sound but different spelling or meaning. Okay. Already we learned this, just revise this. Fact and opinion. What is a fact? Something which is real, that is can be proved scientifically, that is called fact. Opinion is, it changes from person to person. The author's opinion, somebody is writing, your opinion is different, my opinion is different. So mobile phones we have today have become our own personal genie. That is a author's opinion. Fact is global positioning system provides information. GPS இல்லையா, GPS வந்து information provide பண்ணுது, அது fact. It is a personal genie according to the usage. Some people it is very useful, for some you cannot use. Okay. Next is blog. I don't think it is new for you. You know vlog, isn't it? YouTube la videos upload பண்றாங்க, அது vlog. Like that you have blog, websites. Our school has our own website. Gurukulam website is there. Like that blogs also are there. Facebook blog is there. What is a blog? Something article you are writing, you post it in the website. Updated website. A blog is a regularly updated website or web page. Okay. Mainly run by an individual or a small group. It is written in a way as if we are talking to a reader. As if you are talking to the reader means who is the reader? We are only reading it. We are only readers. So the lines are as if somebody is talking to you. It is an article. Bookla எழுதுற மாதிரி வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்றது blog. Okay. About anything it can be. Scanning for facts and opinions. So facts and opinions, how you have to scan? First you have to read the paragraph, underline the line, number, data or information, that is a fact. Underline whatever is, you find it as a fact. Circle the words that tell me a certain opinion. Opinion எல்லாம் circle பண்ணி வச்சிடணும். Then after reading the entire blog, go back and read underlined and circled parts. That is, whichever is the fact there, you just underline that. Find out which is a fact. For example, here they have written, we could now write messages on it. That's fact. Small handy device, changing, smart, இதெல்லாம் ஒருத்தரோட opinion. It can change from person to person. Smart, some people say it is good, some people say it is bad. So that is opinion. But it can write messages. It can chat. That is fact. Like that, fact and opinion, you have to fact underline and circle the opinion, then you have to note them down and separate it as facts and opinions. After reading the entire thing, you have to go back, read again and then separate it. Okay, then just a revise of the already learned tenses. Hope you all remember. Past, present, future. Simple formula மூணு இருக்கு. Past, present, future. So past is something that has happened before the moment of writing. Walk is a base word. Walked. Okay, an action that takes place at the moment of writing, walks. An action that will take place after the moment of writing is will walk or will ask, whatever it is. That is future. Then in perfect form, past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. I told you that is the action that is happened, that was completed just before the moment of writing. இப்போ நடக்குது கொஞ்ச நேரம் முன்னாடி முடிஞ்சிச்சு, just now. So that is called completed action. Action that was completed just before the moment of writing. Had, past perfect க்கு had use பண்ணோம். So that will become always past tense only. That walk will become walked, had walked. Then present perfect, an action that has just completed at the moment of writing. Just completed. Just before the moment of writing, just at the moment of writing. Has walked. Then an action that will complete after the moment of writing. இப்போ நடக்க போகுது. Will have walked. Yes, coming back to homophones, you are asked to correct which one is the correct word. See the picture there. That first one is, both are bear only, but the correct spelling is B-E-A-R. Like that you have mane. The lion will have hair around his face. That is called mane. Mane spelling is M-A-N-E, and this is what C is knot. Knot means tying. That is K-N-O-T. Then the D word is 8. How will you write 8? Spelling, what is 8? H-E-I-G-H-T. Next, E is here. Here, not here. So both are here only. You are hearing something. So H-E-A-R. Next is tail. Both are there. It is dog's tail. So the correct one is T-A-I-L. Another one is story. Tail. T-A-L-E. So here it is T-A-I-L. Okay. So they have the same sounds, but the meaning and the spelling may be different. So what is homophone? Homo means same. Phone is sound. Same sound. Homophones are words which have the same sound, but different meaning or spelling. Write. She is writing. Both are right. See. That boy is seeing. Son means father, son, that one. Then son. Okay. Then mane. That is, a mane is the most important, and mane is a long hair around the neck of an animal. Then bear. Bear is a type of animal. B-E-A-R. Bear is uncovered ground. Bear. Uncovered ground. Uncovered. A person uncovered. Bare body. Desert. Bare. These are some words. It's not clear. It is in the book. Homophones. Then while writing a blog or whatever it is, writing an article, you should be careful and follow the cup strategy. Cup strategy na onno illa, very simple. See, C, U, P, S. C is capital letters. You have to check for the capital letters at the beginning of the sentence. I varumbodhu capital varano. Proper nouns ku capital. Then next U is usage, correct usage of the sentence, correct format for writing the speech, and correct tenses you have to use. P is put one finger space. Always write with finger space. Spelling is always correct. Check the spellings at the cup strategy. Capitalization, spellings இதெல்லாம் check பண்ணி usage check பண்ணுறது தான் cup strategy. Same you have arm strategy also. We'll go through that also once again. Already we have learned this. Then different parts of speech. First one is title. When you are writing a speech, first one, what is that? Title. Then greeting, good morning, good afternoon, like that. Then introduction, main idea, you have to give introduction. Body, statement and evidence. Body is the statements you are giving, and for that you should give evidence also. Just like that you cannot write. Evidence means what reason, why you are telling, examples, then for some facts for that. Everything should not be opinions. Some fact should be there to support it. Then conclusion, finally what you want your audience to keep in mind. Finala, that is a conclusion. Finally, that should be nice also. Then, so these are the things. Write 10 to 15 sentences. Use facts and examples in the entire speech. Examples or facts irukano. Correct format. What is the correct format? Title, introduction, body, conclusion. Use tenses correctly. Use capitalization correctly. Use correct spellings. Then one finger space. Write neatly without any crosses or torn paper. All letters have correct size. The speech should be written in the correct layout. Okay. Now going to the tenses. Already we discussed past tense is you say walk means walked. Present tense walks, walk. Will walk is future. 3 tense. Perfect வரும்போது has, have, had வரும். Past perfect is always had. Okay. Next is continuous tense ing form. ஞாபகம் இருக்கா அதெல்லாம்? சரி. Now see this Kamala saw an elephant at the zoo. Future Kamala saw an elephant. அப்போ will வரணும். Then perfect is there. So have வரணும். Okay. So perfect is coming. So have will come. Future means will come. Future perfect will have. Kamala will have seen an elephant. Will have elephant, saw an elephant varadu. Will have seen an elephant at the zoo. She will talk to the zookeeper. What you have to change it to? Past perfect. Perfect na had varum. Then talk will become talked. Verb is first underline the verb. Talk will become talk. She had talked to the zookeeper. Is it clear? Next. Tell me which is the verb here. Divakar runs around the ground every day. Runs. So runs is the verb. What you have to change it to? Future. Will run. Then perfect is there. So have will come. Divakar will have run around the ground every day. Then the dog will sit under the tree. Under a tree. Present perfect. Will sit future la irukku. So the dog sits. Perfect tense varadnala has. The dog has sat under the tree. Perfect tense la past tense aidum. So the dog has sat under the tree. They will drink. Which is the verb here? Drink. Past drank. Perfect varadnala had. They had drunk a glass of milk. I climbed the ladder to reach the highest switch. I have climbed the ladder to reach the highest switch. Now tell me the tenses. Sheetal was playing with a dog. Now was playing. Past. Was playing. Past. ing form continuous. Past continuous. She draws her favorite cartoon characters. Draws. Present. Draws her favorite simple present tense. Diya will eat the dinner. Future tense. Simple future tense. Was working. ing form. Was past. So past continuous tense. My mother had stitched. Past perfect. Good. They will be writing. Future la will be varum. Writing ing. Future continuous tense. I am going. I am present tense. Going ing present continuous tense. You have any doubt you can call me children. Mahesh eat nu kuduthirukanga bracket la simple future tense. So future la enna varum? Will eat. Next, I am dance to my favorite songs. Present continuous. So continuous is dancing. Rita past perfect. Past perfect la had varum. So had visited. My father book. What will come? Past tense. Booked. A new player join. Future will. Future perfect will have joined. Neha and Megha present tense. Jehan Megha happy. Abdi varadu. Are happy. So it add that word helping verb. Next is sentences are given. You have to change it to simple present tense. Any sentence you can write. They are given examples here. Travel. I travel to new places. Close. Close ku continuous tense. Past la. I was closing the door. they were closing their shop when we are at there. Past tense la மாத்தணும் smell. I smelled the food smelled bad, smelled. Turn, present perfect la, so that is wrong. See, present perfect tense la change பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Turn, what is the present perfect? The car has turned. Okay, the car has turned. Has should come. Perfect tense வரும்போது has வரும். Jump, jump, future continuous, continuous is ing, will be, so the monkeys will jumping வராது, will be jumping. Laugh, past perfect, past perfect is had வரும், laughed, they had laughed at him last time. Next one is usage of your, both are your, homophones தான். So your na உங்களுடையது, you are oda contraction your, this one. Okay, so I visit your mother someday, which one is correct? You are. Let us go to your house. I think you are an excellent dancer. Here contraction will come. Okay, like this, which sentence it will be correct, which one will come, you have to read the sentence. Like that you have 2, 3 twos are there. TO2, another TWO2, TOO2. What is the meaning? This bus goes to the station. It is a preposition. Me and my brother will go to school together. They will not go to the beach. It tells in which direction something is going. It also points to place where something or someone will reach. Okay, that is the meaning of preposition. To is used. Which direction it is going. Points the place where someone or something will reach. To, I too want to play. Nanu, I also. Illana, lot, too much. It means lot or very much, very. Okay, that is the meaning of to. She has brought apples too. It is too hot today. So to is a preposition. It tells us the direction something is going. It also points the place where something or someone will reach. To, it can mean also, it means a lot and can replace the word very. TWO2 is another one. It is a number. It cannot be used in place of to or to. எதுக்கு இதை சொல்கிறாங்க இப்போ? You have to choose it. I am going to read a book. TOO வருமாங்க? வராது. Is Sham coming too? அவனும் வரானா? Okay, I have 2 bars of chocolate. Here only TWO will come. So like that you read these sentences and write which correct option will come. Next topic is comparing and contrasting. When you have 2 articles, you are reading 2 articles, in that some common things will be there. You have to take it and write in the Venn diagram. This is called Venn diagram. இந்த மாதிரி circle மாதிரி போட்டு காமனாக இருக்கிறது நடுவில் எழுதிடணும். Then separate. This is smartphone, landline, they are comparing. So points which will not be in common, that will come in this smartphone, this circle, and landline circle, this one will come. Okay. So go through this. It is there given in your book. You will have to write compare and contrasting passages. Any topic will be given. So if you read the topic, then you have to take out the compare and contrast. Which one is common, which one is not common, that you have to take it and write in this format. Okay. These are the steps to compare and contrast. First you have to read the 2 texts, look for the common ideas, similar ideas, highlight or underline those ideas. Highlight பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணோம்? Write them at the center of the diagram. Read the 2 texts again. Look for ideas which are different. Highlight or underline those ideas. Write the difference on either side of the diagram. Same thing, this exercise, you go through this video and write it. Hope you have finished this also. Your difference. Your talks about things belonging to a person. Your in the short form of you are. Arm strategy I told you, arms. A, add details and words. R is remove unnecessary words. M, move words or sentence. S is substitute or change, making the sentence better. Then some silent letters are there for homophones. After that we read homophones. No, before that silent letters are there. Go through the book. Okay, what is a blog again? A blog is a regularly updated website or web page, typically one run by an individual or a small group, that is written in an informal or conversation. யார்கிட்டயா பேசுற மாதிரி, that is called conversational style. Okay, go through this children. Thank you.